Doesn't matter what it takes to get to failure. It matters if you hit failure.
What your power has done to me, I wanna know if I'll heal inside. I can't go on with the Holocaust about to happen. Seeing you laughing another time. You never know why your face has haunted me. My very soul is to bleed this time. Another hole in the wall of my inner defenses, leaving me breathless. The reason I know that I am stricken and can't let you go. When the heart is cold, there's no hope that we know that I am crippled by all that you've done. Into the abyss will I run. Into the abyss will I run.
It doesn't matter what way it takes you to hit failure. It's just get in there. Right?